In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometimes something is disturbing our thoughts. Some thought is disturbing us, creating a kind of anxiety, anxiousness. And this anxiety and anxiousness does not allow us to focus, to concentrate, and to carry on the important tasks in the right way, in the best way. This is the trouble. And this is actually, it does happen once we come across something which is unpleasant and or something which is quite pleasant, in both ways. Either because it is exciting, it is making us happy, or because it is creating anxiousness. It is something unpleasant. It is something we don't like. It is something we don't feel comfortable with. It is something we are of the view that will snatch the happiness from us, and will make us somewhat insecure. We don't want insecurity. We do want the security. We do want our needs to be fulfilled. We do want our desires to be realized, to be materialized, to come into existence, to be fulfilled. But we are of the view that I might lose this thing, or I have lost this thing, and this is the way, this is the reason that I am unhappy, this is the reason that I am anxious. Now this unhappiness and this anxiousness is actually not allowing us to focus and to concentrate upon important things we do have to carry on. We don't, or it is something which is making us happy, which is making us excited, and this excitement and happiness too does not allow us to focus and to concentrate upon the important task we do have to deliver, we do have to accomplish. Maybe we are a writer, maybe we are a speaker, maybe we are a doctor or a surgeon, maybe we do have to present a case in the court of law, whatever it is. I think so that we need to be present minded. We need to focus upon the quality of our work. Some of the people are the artists, they are the painter. Even if you are practicing some sort of skill, the skill of a tailoring, the skill of the hair dressing, or something else, if you are a beautician, whatever sort of artist you are, it is, I believe, important to be able to focus and to concentrate upon our work, whether it is a professional duty, or it is relating to our livelihood, or whatever it is. Even if we are driving, even if we are doing certain other important things, I think that we should be able to focus and to concentrate upon our work. But since we are having some sort of anxiety, and this anxiety is actually not allowing us to focus and to concentrate upon the work we are doing, we are not present minded every time we are not interacting directly with someone else, our mind goes absent, and we start thinking about something which is disturbing us, which is making us unhappy, which is making us feel insecure, and which we are of the view that I might not be able to fulfill a desire of mine, or might not be able to a secure, a necessity of mind. Necessities are important, but desires too are keeping us active. So these are important as well. I think that we need to train our mind. We need to train our mind in such a way that whatever is there in our mind, if at all it is not relating to the immediate work, if it either we need to focus upon something which we are preparing with a pen and paper, we are writing, if at all we are writing, I think that we are preparing. Otherwise letting it stay in the mind for all the time, it is not fair, it is not good with we ourselves. We should be focusing upon something, we should be focusing upon something which is there in front of us, wherever we are, wherever we are physically. I think that we need to stay there mentally as well. And if at all we are doing a kind of mental work, if at all we are writing, speaking, driving, whatever we are doing, I think that we need to focus upon our work as well. Whatever is not needed immediately, whatever is not needed immediately, it should be thrown out of our mind. It shouldn't let our mind, it shouldn't be allowed, it shouldn't let to occupy our thoughts. It shouldn't be it, because if we do allow, this means that we are absent minded, this means that we are preoccupied. And if at all we are preoccupied, this actually means that we might make a big mistake on the one hand, and we will stay unhappy on the other hand as well. We will become unhappy, we will stay unhappy on the one hand, and we might make a mistake which will be quite disturbing, which will, for which we do have to pay a big price maybe. So we need to train our mind that whatever is not needed immediately should be kept out of the mind. And whatever I am doing at present, I need to focus, I need to concentrate upon, I need to do it single mindedly. This way I can keep the anxiety at bay, and I can deliver, I can deliver a quality work. And thirdly, last but not the least, I think that we can avoid and we can protect ourselves from making the mistakes, the errors for which we might have to pay dearly. That is a technique, that is a way how I think that we can manage these trouble making thoughts. And that is how we can manage these anxiety creating, these anxiousness creating, these unhappiness creating thoughts. Jazakallah. Thank you.